What's up guys, it's Greg, and today I'm going to show you literally the easiest way to make your first $100 online. No BS, it's so simple, there's no scams here, anyone can do it, there's no excuses at all. So let's get into this. So this is a website called Ebates. If you've heard of it before, you probably have. It's a big company and it's mainly used to shop around and you get cash back when you're shopping online. It's so simple on the consumer side, you just get cash back when you're shopping around. That's actually not how we're going to use it. We're going to use it for their referral program. So it's similar to like affiliate marketing, but it's just through Ebates, it's through their referral program. And it's so simple to do. You just sign up. You don't even have to do any extra registration to do this. You just come right over to this tab at the top, refer and earn 25. Literally all you do here is just sign into your Ebates account, brand new, you just make it. And then you copy this link right here. So this is your Ebates referral link and give it to 4 family members. That's it. If you don't have 4 family members, give it to family members and friends. 4 people total. Now you're done. That's it. When they buy their first $25 worth of whatever online, they're going to be getting cash back. So they have incentive to spend the 25 online and use it. So once they spend that 25, Ebates gives you 25. So literally by you just copying this link and giving it to 4 people, I'm only saying 4 because that makes you $100. You can keep going. Look, I did 8 people right here. I already got $150. I've got another 50 coming. And then I bought something online and got 35 cents. I think I bought a bike tire. So there's no excuses. There's no upfront cost. You don't have to be good at marketing. You literally just have to know 4 people. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. It'll make you $100. And if you want to thank me, it doesn't cost you anything else, but you can use my referral link. I'm going to put it in the YouTube description. If you don't want to use it, no worries. Just go to Ebates. Otherwise, if you guys like this content, subscribe. There's a lot more coming, and I'll see you guys in the next one.